How to Make Salsa by Jaime Lucero, illustrated by Francisco X. Mora. Salsa means sauce in Spanish. People eat this sauce with tortilla chips and many other foods. Here is a recipe for making your own salsa. Things you will need: can opener, cutting board, knife, large mixing bowl, mixing spoon, 2 serving bowls, set of measuring spoons. Ingredients you will need: 2 large tomatoes, 1 small onion, 1 small green pepper, 2 cloves garlic, 5 stems cilantro, 3 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 can tomato sauce, pinch of salt, 1 bag tortilla chips. Getting started. 1. Read the recipe. 2. Gather all cooking things and ingredients you will need. 3. Wash your hands. 4. Wash all vegetables very well. 5. Peel onion and cloves of garlic. 6. Open can of tomato sauce. Making the salsa. 1. Cut open green pepper and remove seeds. 2. Chop tomatoes, onion, and pepper. 3. Mince garlic and cilantro. 4. Put chopped and minced ingredients into mixing bowl. 5. Add tomato sauce, vinegar, and salt. 6. Mix everything together with mixing spoon. Mix until all ingredients are blended. Serving the salsa. Put the salsa in one of the serving bowls. Put the tortilla chips in the other bowl. Now you are ready to enjoy the salsa. Dip a tortilla chip into the salsa and taste. It's salsa party time. Glossary. Blend, to mix together very well. Chop, to cut into small pieces. Cilantro, a plant like parsley used to flavor foods, also called coriander. Garlic, a plant like an onion used to flavor foods. Mince, to cut into very, very small pieces. Peel, to cut away or pull off the skin. Pinch, a very small amount, as much as can be picked up between finger and thumb. Tortilla chip, a crisp, thinly sliced type of bread made from cornmeal or flour. Vinegar, a sour tasting liquid used to flavor foods. Enjoy!